Hello students, I'm Dharmesh Kantharia and once again I welcome you in our own YouTube channel Deepam Gyan Kranti. Today I bring chapter 14 Sources of Energies part 3 of standard 10 NCERT's science textbook. Okay, today in this video we are going to discuss about 4 different questions. All these questions are taken from our textbook. The first question of this video is, can any source of energy be pollution free? Why or why not? Okay, what we should have to talk. Can any source of energy be pollution free? Okay, the second question, that hydrogen has been used as a rocket fuel. Do you consider it a cleaner fuel than CNG? Yeah, why or why not? Okay, both of the reason, either why or why not, the reason has to be given by you. The third question, name 2 energy sources that you would consider to be renewable. Give reasons for your choice. And the last questions of today's video, give the names of 2 energy sources that would consider to be exhaustible. Okay, both the questions are same, third and fourth, but it is a renewable and it is exhaustible. Give reasons for your choices. Okay students, today we are going to talk about all these 4 questions. Before starting this video, I say you that students, if you do not have subscribed our channel yet, please subscribe it, because Deepam Gyan Kranti is the great treasure of knowledge and it will provide all the types of knowledge to you in future as well. We have made www.deepamgk.com a website for you on which we are just uploading different types of material for you. You can download any material from there without paying anything. Okay, without wasting time, we are going to start our part 3 of chapter 14, sources of energy. The first question of today's video is, can any source of energy be pollution free? It means without any pollution. Why or why not? Okay, simply we know that every source of energy are not pollution free, and that is why the first sentence of our answer is written like that: no source of energy can be pollution free. Okay, the first line of the answer is that no source of energy can be pollution free. Okay, the first question, the answer of this question is that. Now we have to talk whether why or why not. It is considered that solar cells are pollution free. We know that solar cells are pollution free. However, even their making causes environmental damage indirectly. Okay, when the solar cells are made, it creates a pollution for the environment. Also, in the case of nuclear energy, there is no waste produced after the fission. Okay, after the fusion, no waste were produced, a fusion reaction. However, it is not totally pollution free, though it gives a lot of energy. From the nuclear energy we get lots of energy, even though it is not totally pollution free, because to start the fusion reaction, approximately 107 K, K means Kelvin. What is the meaning of K? K means Kelvin. As we are saying centigrade, it is one of the thing that is like centigrade, it is Kelvin. Approximately 107 Kelvin temperature is required, which is provided by fission reaction, and this energy is given by fission reaction. This the waste released from the fission reactions are very hazardous, and during this fission, waste released, and these waste are very hazardous. Hence, no sources of energy is pollution free. we can say that no source of energy is pollution free. It is very simple answer. You must remember that no source of energy can be pollution free. Okay, now the second question of this video. The second question of this video is that hydrogen has been used as a rocket fuel. We know it better. In rocket, hydrogen is being used, has been using for a long time. Would you consider it a cleaner fuel than CNG? CNG means compressed natural gas. What is the full form of CNG? Compressed natural gas. Why or why not? Okay, if you consider that it is cleaner, why or not? Why not? Okay, you have to give the both of the reason. Okay, the first line, hydrogen gas is cleaner than CNG. Okay, you must remember that hydrogen is cleaner than CNG. CNG means, what is the full form of CNG? I just said that compressed natural gas. Okay, compressed natural gas. CNG contains CNG contains hydrocarbons, and if we have a hydrocarbons, therefore it has carbon contents. Carbon is a form of pollutant present in CNG, so that we can say that in CNG there is a pollution. If we are just burning CNG, it will release carbon, and carbon is a pollutant. On the other hand, hydrogen is waste free. Hydrogen is a waste free. The fusion of hydrogen does not produce any waste. Okay, the fusion of hydrogen never produce any waste. Hence, hydrogen is cleaner than CNG. So that we can say that hydrogen is cleaner than CNG. Because why? Fusion of hydrogen, it does not produce any waste. The third question of today's video, name 2 energy sources that you would consider to be renewable. Give reasons for your choice. Okay, you have to give the reasons as well. Okay, the 2 renewable sources of energy are as follow. I wrote number 1 a sun, number B wind or wind. Sun and wind are the renewable source, as you know. The energy derived from means to get. The energy we get from the sun is known as the solar energy. The energy which we get from the sun is known as solar energy. Solar energy is produced by the fusion of hydrogen into helium. Okay, you must remember the fusion of hydrogen into helium, and that is why we can get solar energy. Fusion of helium into other heavy elements and so on. A large amount of hydrogen and helium is present in a sun, and as we know that in the sun, on the surface of the sun, there is lots of hydrogen and helium. Therefore, solar energy can replenish on its own. The sun has 5 billion years more to burn. Okay, it will take more 5 billion years. Hence, solar energy is a renewable source of energy. We can say that solar energy is a renewable source of energy. B. What is B? B, it is wind, renewable energy. Wind energy is derived from air blowing with high speed. When the wind blowing with high speed, it gives us a wind energy. Wind energy is harnessed by windmills in order to generate electricity, and we can with the help of windmills we can get electricity. Air blows because of uneven heating on the earth. Okay, why air blows? Because uneven heating on the earth. Okay, as you know that okay, I am just drawing figure, just it is an ocean, just think, and it is a surface of the earth, and it is the sun. When the rays of the sun falls onto the earth, it becomes heat, and the air goes up. Because of the rays of the sun, the water also get heat, but it is not so heat like the surface of the earth. So the wind over there on the ocean goes this direction, and it creates the wind. So air blows because of uneven heating on the earth. Since the heating of the earth will continue forever, wind energy will also be available forever, because earth will be heat with the help of solar energy. So we will have wind ever, because we know that for next 5 crore years we will get solar energy onto the earth. Okay, our next question, the fourth question, give the names of 2 energy sources that you would consider to be exhaustible. Okay, you must remember exhaustible. Give the reasons for your choice, and you have to give the choice reasons. Now, the name of 2 exhaustible energy sources are coal. The first is that coal. It is produced from the dead remains of plants and animals that remains buried under the earth's crust for the millions of years. You know, it is better. For many years ago, millions of years ago, all the animals and plants just buried into the core of the earth, and it will become a coal. It takes millions of years to produce coal. Industrialization has increased the demand of coal. As soon as new industry started, all this industry demanded for the coal. However, coal cannot replenish within a short period. Hence, it is a non-renewable or inexhaustible. Both of the words are the same, non-renewable or inexhaustible source of energy. The second, the wood. Wood, it is obtained from the forest. Wood can be obtained from the forest. Deforestation at a faster rate has caused a reduction in the number of forests on the earth. It takes hundreds of years to grow forest, and it takes hundreds of years to grow a forest. If deforestation is continued at this rate, then there would be no wood left on the earth. Every day we cut lots of trees, and that is why deforestation is continued. And in the same rate we are just cutting the trees, might be possible there will no wood onto the earth. Hence, wood is an inexhaustible source of energy. So that we can say that wood is inexhaustible source of energy. Students, if you like our video, our work, please like it, share it, and if you haven't subscribe our channel yet, please subscribe Deepam Gyan Kranti, so that you can get the video very quickly. Students, we will meet again. Till then, give me a permission to go away. Goodbye. Have a nice time to enjoy.